Hello everyone, myself Ishita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create variables and my custom blocks in Scratch. So please make note, this is actually part 2 of my Scratch beginner series. If you have not watched part 1 yet, the link is in the description. Please go ahead and watch it before you watch this part. So now what you're going to do is you're going to head over to this variables category right here. So first let me explain what a variable is. A variable is like a named location where you can store information in Scratch. This information can be shared between all the sprites, or it can be accessible to only one element of a project. It can also be changed, and it can also be renamed, and it can be edited as well. So first let me show you how you can make a variable. So click on this button, make a variable, and name this whatever you want. I'm naming it subscribe. Click on OK. Now you have this variable right here. First let me show you how you can delete any unwanted variables. So please make a note that whenever you open a new Scratch project, there is this automatic variable that gets generated called my variable. This variable isn't of use, so if you want to delete this, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the variable and then choose this delete the my variable option. Make sure your mouse pointer is over the variable. It will change to a hand, and when it changes to a hand, you can just right click and press delete. You can do the same for any other variable you want. Just make sure you right click and not left click, and that you hover over it. So now since this is done, let me show you how you can set and change the values. So first you have this block name set. You can set this to any value you want. For example, I'm setting it to 45. Okay, and then you have this change value. You can use it to change your value. If you want to increase it, then just first of all write how much you want to increase it by. Let's say I want to increase 45 by 4. So whenever you click on this, or whenever this runs overall, then it's gonna increase your subscribe count by 4. Now if you want to decrease it, let's say I want to decrease it by 7, you will first put a dash. This stands for negative, and then put 7, so negative 7. It will subtract rather than adding. So let's say if I put minus 2 over here, then it will take 2 away every time the script runs. So now that you've understood how to use numbers, let me show you how you can use letters and symbols in your games. First of all, you can set this to like any word or any symbol you want. For example, I'm setting it to like and share. You can also use spaces. You can also use spaces in your variables, no problem. So yeah, let's say I've set this to like a number and symbols, whatever. Let's say I've set it to this, and if I try to change the variable, in what it will do, that since this is not a proper number, what it will do is it will first quickly set the subscribe count to 0 and then perform this task. For example, let's say change it by 6. I have put, so if I set the value to like and share and then I change it by 6, then it becomes 6, because first the value is changed to 0 and then it is changed by 6. It's increased by 6, so it becomes 6. 0 plus 6 equals to 6, etc, etc. So yeah, now let me show you how you can use these two blocks named show variable and hide variable. So as you can see over here, right now your variable is showing, but let's say you wanted to show the variable when the green flag is clicked, and when the space key is pressed you wanted to hide. You can use these blocks. For example, let me show you. Right now I have clicked the green flag, so the variable is active, but now let me press the space key. Sorry. Let me press the space key. Sorry for that. Once I press the green flag, it will show, and when I press the space key, it hides the variable. So yeah, that's how you can use it. And now let me show you how you can create custom blocks. So first you're going to click make a block. Over here, just simply write anything you want. You also have these options named add an input, add a label, and run without screen refresh, but we are not going to get into them because they are kind of advanced and not good for beginners. So just click on OK for now. And here you have this hello. So in here what you can do is you can take this as a hat block, and you can put different things in. For example, let me just put this. Let's say I want the script to run at multiple occasions. For example, when the green flag is clicked, when the space key is pressed. Rather than duplicating the same script again and again, what I can do is I can create a custom block for it. I can drag the code there, and then I can use the custom block rather than the function again and again. So yeah, that was what I wanted to show you all today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification button. Thank you.